Yeah, I just got to Koh Chang. Haven't had much to eat all day, so found this little place. I'm gonna have me some comfort food like a cheeseburger and french fries. Oh, the heck with that seafood. I know you guys are hating me now, but yeah, travel with Crohn's and you let me know. Sometimes you just want a comfort food. But yeah, it was about 7.5 hours from Pattaya Beach. I was in Jamtien, got on the bus, got 600 baht, which is about $18.50. Well, that's not too bad. I mean, it was a long ways. But I'm here. I got a room, a fan room, because somebody said, oh yeah, fan room's good enough. Well, let me show you the room before I mess it all up. A little nightstand there, bed, probably hard mattress. TV. Fan. I got the fan room, although it does have an air conditioner, but you got to pay more for that. My buddy was just here a couple days ago, and he says, hey, it was good without it. The fan was good enough. And you got your standard Thai-like bathroom, and got your hot water on demand. Most importantly, a flushie. And not many places to work on the computer. I'll have to do that outside or something. But hey, you can't beat it. Yep, a whole $9 worth of hotel room. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But isn't that pretty? Sure enough is. Yeah, it's really quiet here. It's really nice. It's not too hot right now, but might have a lot of rain coming up this week. So in between the rain, you know what I'm going to be doing. That's right, making video. There we go. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about the island here of Koh Chang. It's like 81 square miles, and it's the third largest island in Thailand. Phuket and Koh Samui being number 1 and 2. And there's like 52 islands in this archipelago. Yeah, okay, I'm reading this off of Wikipedia. Give me a break. 19 miles long, 8.7 miles wide, and it's got waterfalls, coral reefs, rainforest. Yeah, I went out snorkeling again today, just right out here, farting around. There's not much out there, but I think this weekend I want to head on down to Bang Bao and take one of the speedboats out. I think it's like a 4 or 6 hour trip, and they feed you on one of the islands, and you go out 3 different places snorkeling. I think I want to do that this weekend. Yeah, that 2 little humps there, right by my beer, right in between my beer there. I mean my soda water. But yeah, I want to take a kayak out there and go around the island and check that out tomorrow. I'll bring you along if you want to come. Okay, I had my GoPro packed up in its little waterproof case there, so there ain't going to be, no talking here. It just sounds like. So there we go. Yeah, that's beautiful, huh? I'm on some little island that doesn't look so far away when you're sitting having a cold beer on the restaurant I showed you. No, it's out. It ain't too far. Let's get a little bit closer and closer. I don't know, somewhere along those lines. Oh, somewhere over there I gotta go. I think it's right over there. People building cool stuff and hanging them up like there. See that often. Of course, you guys know. Some people out there having some kind of fun. That's because they got a motor. I don't. Well, just about time for me to head on back. Took me about 4 days to get out here. By the time I'd get out to the rental place, the wind would kick up. Anything after like 11, 12 miles per hour, and they'd like just shake their head. They go, "No, you don't want to go." And I'd go out to the end of the water there and look at them, going like, "Yeah, you guys are absolutely right." Well, everybody, thanks for coming out kayaking with me. That was fun. Next time I want to teach you how to use the paddle, okay? But anyways, unfortunately I couldn't show you on the way back. Oh, I don't know, about 200 yards out, I started to sink. The kayak started taking on water. There was like a crack in there somewhere, and I had to get like right on top of on the middle, and yeah, it was getting really wobbly, and I'm going like, damn, I can't really even push this thing. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. I like the danger. Oh, have a great day. And yeah, just getting settled here on Koh Chang. Not too far from the beach. I don't know how long I'll stay. Don't know. I'm a leaf in the wind.